Hello, guys. Welcome again to this wonderful episode. This session, you know what we do every weekend? We do a market recap, right? That's what we do every weekend. So you should get to the program, right? So you know what we do. Today is April 11th, Friday, April 11th, and I'm running a recap of the market, the trading days. Follow my channel and then you see what I'm doing, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we run a recap of what our strategy will do, and then we will analyze if we had a good week or if we had a bad week and how we can improve our strategy, right? So without further ado, let's kick into it. All right, so we're gonna start with US 30. Last week was a also profitable week. We had we had profitable days, right? We had profitable days. Um, so this week we're going to just run. Maybe I'll just run on a 15 minutes because I had stuff to do. But we would still do our recap, right? Just like we always do. So let me just write these things down, and then we can start, right? So we're gonna run the 15 minutes on US 30. That will be April 7. That's a Monday. This past Monday, because we're doing it every week. Remember. All right. So you know our rule is back to back loss, then we start for the day. Two consecutive losses, we start for the day. If we hit our first daily target for US 30 is 150. If we hit 150 for the day, we are done. Right? If we hit back to back losses, we are done. Okay? Let's start with it. Let's go. All right. So we are here. We're going to go to 15 minutes. 15 minutes. And then we go to Monday, April 7th. The craziness with the tariffs, also the ups and downs, and the uncertainty in the market also affected the market this past week. Actually, one of the days when the pause on tariff happened, we saw a big gain, like push up in the market. But that does not affect our strategy that much. We just do what we have to do. When we get there, we can navigate that, right? So let's go. So 15 minutes. What do we do first? What is the first thing that we do? We go to Forest Factory. So we look for 7. Nothing, no news on this day for USD. Red folder news. No, we don't have any. So we go here. All right, so we start at 9. So we look to see what's happening. Do. Okay. So this is 8:45. We should be in a buy. So I probably went into a buy here. And then obviously we got a loss. That cannot be. That cannot be 200 pips right there. Hold on. I have to do something. I don't believe that that's 200 pips. It's crazy. It's crazy. I don't believe it. Because if you look here, wow, still doing the same thing. Wow. This is 1 hour. So let's go to 15 minutes. I'm just running a sample right now, guys. I just want to see what's happening here. I mean, that looks like how it is. I really thought that it would go a little further, but I guess that's just it. Well, it does not matter, right? So let's go to April 7 and then start our process. I refreshed and it's still doing the same thing. So I believe that that's how it is. All right. Yep, that's how it is. Okay. All right. So April 7. That's a Monday. So we lost that first trade. Remember, back to back losses we stop. All right. So this one gave us our loss somewhere. I can't believe that this is too close. But something is off. Something is off. Let me check something from previous. Something is off. You see what I'm saying? Please, this one gave it a little more space. I mean, I'll just go with what I see right there. Um, so we lost there. This gave us a loss here, somewhere here, and then we wait to see what happens, to see if we have another bullish candle show up. It did not. Instead, this one broke down here, and then we tried to get into that, and then we got 150. So we lost 150, 150. So we'll do one more try. We're waiting for. So this is a break-even day for us. So we just leave it the way it is. It's break-even, but remember when it reached 12 p.m., we stop. When it reached 12 p.m., like 11, 12 p.m., we look to stop trading, right? Um, so that's break-even for me. So we go here. We go Tuesday, April 8th. Tuesday, April 8th. And we see here, this is 8:45. We first of all went to Forest Factory. We see that there was no USD news, right, for the news. So we just go here. This is 8:45. As soon as we finish, I still the market is in an upward movement for me. So I went into a buy and we got that 150. So April 8th made 150. Right? Made 150. Do, 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 do. And then we go to Tuesday. Remember when we win once, that's it. So we went to Wednesday, April the 9th. We go here. We check. So we have 2 p.m. FOMC meeting minutes. We have the FOMC meeting minutes. So meeting minutes. That's not impacting our strategy. So that's okay. So we go into a trade at 9. So what are we looking at? 8:45. So we went into a buy also. Made it. Made it. I want to see something. This is off. So Wednesday, April 9, we made 150. Go to Thursday. You know what we do. I'm just moving fast because I need to rush out to do something. So Thursday, which is yesterday, we had CPI news. We had that CPI news. And the rates were cut down. The federal rates were reduced, obviously because of the tariffs. It's a mind game. It's a chess, not checkers. Chess, not checkers, not checkers. I must say that again. Anyway, um, so 8:30 was the news, so we are good to get in at 9. I'm doing this as routine because you must have already been following this channel. So as you can see, right, was already pulling down, It shows me that we're down. So I wait for this candle to do this because this has not shown me that it's going up because of this candle and this candle. So I wait for another candle to confirm me that they're going up or they're coming down, right? So here we got in there. Did it lose? You went up before, you went down. Okay, this is the max. It went around 130 pips, so it still went. So we still made it. We made it to 150, April 10, 150. And all this, we did not get in there. Unfortunately, that's not my strategy. Once I make 150, I'm out, but there are days like this, but it does not happen all the time, right? So you just have not to be greedy. Don't be greedy in the market. I mean, but don't be naive to leave all your money behind. But this strategy is what I'm following. If you go to all my things, you see that that's how I'm trading, and that's how I'm showing you, right? So it's okay. Then Friday, which is today, did we have anything? We had the news, PPI at 9, 8:30 and 10. So we probably started trading at 10:15 or 10:30. Let's see what was happening by 10:15, 10:30. All right. So, so, 10 o'clock. That happened. I'm still in a sell based off of this happened, the pullback. This happened here, 9:45. This is 10 o'clock. You just did this, did that. Did not break the up. So this would be a losing day if I just followed mechanically my system. If I followed my system mechanically, it would just be a losing day, in my opinion. It will be a losing day because right here, if I'm waiting for a sell candle to appear for me to take it down, then here it appeared, and obviously we lost that. We lost 150 there. And then we wait for another sell candle to appear, which is here. It went against us before it went down. So we lost back to back. April 11, lost 150. So we lost 300. I'll just say 300 pips. We lost 300. We lost 300 pips. But if I am using my discretion, if I'm using discretion to trade, it would mean that I will be in this trade here. I will be trying to push it down when I saw this. But that's not the mechanical approach. I'm using the mechanical approach in this video, in this session. There's so many ways to skin a cat. There is a million ways to skin a cat. So to get to a profitable trading, you can do it so many different ways. But this is the way that I chose to do it, mechanical, right? So let's calculate what we made for these 15 minutes. So Monday we had a break-even day. Tuesday we won 150. Wednesday we won 150. Thursday we did 150. But Friday we lost 300. So we only up 150 for the week. Because of that big loss, we only up 150. Guys, it is what it is. That's where we are for the week on the 15 minutes time frame. So I would have done the half an hour time frame, but because of other pressing issues that I need to attend, I will do that. I will incorporate that next week. But this session we just focus on 15 minutes, and we're up 150 pip for the week because of the loss on Friday. Thank you for following this, and I'll catch you in the next one because we're gonna get the 1 hour. We're gonna get the 1 hour session going in the next video. So let's see how the 1 hour goes. All right. So watch out for the next one. Peace. I say peace. That's interesting. Guys, some people will say 150 pip for the week is bad. The people that have blown up their accounts, people blown up their personal accounts, their prop firms, if they are making 150 a week following strict risk management strategy and process, they will not be blown up their accounts. So you're still up, even though this is the weakest. This is the worst week of 15 minutes that I've seen so far lately, but it's still a win. Please don't be greedy in this market. Take what you take, and then you come back next week and keep trying. Okay? I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.